All right, let's talk about how you can clear data without deleting any formulas in your Excel file. So here we just have some sales data for different sales reps across different quarters and months. All of this data here is manually inputted in each box, and these have formulas totaling each month or sales rep. So we want to delete all of this information in each box. Now we could obviously select all of this manually and hit delete, keeping all the formulas, but say you have a ton of data, a simple way to do this without deleting any of these formulas here is to select anywhere on your worksheet, go to the Home ribbon, under Find and Select, hit the drop down, and hit Go to Special. That'll bring up this menu box, and then you're going to want to select Constants. And you're going to want to uncheck any texts, logicals, or errors and just leave numbers selected. So then what it's going to do is it's going to find all the numbers that are hard-coded and select those for you, leaving the sales reps' names, the totals, the months, and the quarters. So if we go ahead and hit OK, that is going to do the same thing and select all of the numbers we're looking to delete. Then we can simply hit the delete key on your keyboard. And that will keep all of those formulas. So if I were to input more data, the formulas will still actively work. And there you have it. That's how you can clear data without deleting any formulas. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.